Okay, how's it going, everyone? I know everything has been just like absolutely wrecked with MULN. The last time I did take it, guys, I alerted this in my Discord chat. We took it at around 120. We had an average, and we sold it right at the EMA 10. MULN is due for that run up. I couldn't resist it. I ended up buying some at 40 cents, and I alerted that in the Discord, as you can see right in here. Swing trade alerts. And if you want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to join. I'm doing exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So I got it at 40 cents. This was a starter ad. I really think MULN has a big potential. I bought it right up in this area here, and I sold it at the EMA 10. And this has massive legs up, and it just plummeted down from the last, just from July 30th. We went from, buck 40 to a buck 40 all the way back to 37 cents. That is insane. And if you're looking at the system is we buy near the ATR4, which is this lower band here. That gives us the buy signal, and we only are buying penny stocks near there due to the market sentiment is absolutely terrible. There's always a setup, but, MULN is presenting that. I get it. It has major dilution, but every penny stock, no matter how trash it is, the algos will pump it to the reversion to the mean. And so I'm very confident that MULN will have a nice big move up. It's up 3% after hours. If we, show you the after hours here, it's getting some volume, some move up. It's because this thing is just oversold to the extreme. I can't miss out on it. I'm going to keep loading the dips as it goes, and I'll alert it in my Discord channel. I have a very unique way of accumulating. And just because I have 40 cents doesn't mean I have enough powder to average down. I have a very nice style, and if you join the Discord, you'll understand that. But let me show you guys the price targets that I'm looking for. For MULN, I'm looking for an EMA 10 short-term target, and then EMA 20 is the longer term. We know EMA 5 is going to get hit. EMA 5 is at 51 cents. That is actually major room up. 37 cents to 51 is a very, very nice gain. And yeah, I really think it's going to hit that very, very short. But I really think this is due for the EMA 10. And if you look at this too right here, we actually just barely missed it, which is why I usually kind of sell just right under it and make some type of gains, because just in case it barely misses it, we still got out. And what a lot of the times is what happens is algos are looking for these areas. I most likely think that the EMA 10 might get a rejection, but I think we are definitely due for the EMA 20 at $1. And hear me out. Let me show you guys why the EMA 20 last time hit was 531. We're at 814. That's 631, 731. I mean, we're getting into extreme levels. We know it's bound to do. And every time we've seen MULN near an ATR4, it has been extremely bullish. Obviously, pennies are a little bit different now. We have a different market coming in. But, every time we got ATR4 pump, ATR4 right here, near this lower green band, look what happened. The market pumped for it. We got near the ATR4, it pumped. Right here is the last time where it really got really bad. But not as bad as what we see now. But we get, like this, what we're seeing today, and then we had that nice big pump. And then we try to do it again, and we have a pump. But what I want to show you guys is this EMA 20 will get hit. Every time you see long periods of distances, like right here was 502. The last time it touched was 706. That was about a 2-month time frame. Anything that don't touch in 2 months is actually considered really long. If you backtest a lot of stocks, they repeatedly hit the EMA 20 within a 2-month time period. And look at this explosive move up. We don't care if it keeps going down. We don't care. If you got in at our averages, or my averages, you would have made massive money from here, and it can do whatever it wants. Because once it does this, the algos tell us, are we going to go up, make an uptrend, or down, make a downtrend? Most often than not, a lot of the penny stocks pump and dump. They hit the 20 and they go down. And you got to look at these resistance points. The 10 is usually resistance, and that's what happens here. It hits the 10 and goes down. So, yeah, MULN has had a very, very big decline. I think we are actually due for a move up. Nobody knows exactly when, but I do tell you, I can assure you, we are very close to a move up, and it's got to the point where I'm like, yeah, I can't deny it. I'm gonna buy some MULN here. I got 2 other swings trading stocks that I'm holding. This one is probably my number 1 penny stock at this level here. I traded it last time at 120. This is why you always sell the pumps, because you just never know how much the market's going to give you. If you're seeing, 10% in your portfolio, take some out. And then put a stop loss or trail stop it. But the thing is, the market, you can never control what the market's going to do. If the market gives you money, you take the money and you move on. If it does, and it's all about risk management. I don't put massive money in penny stocks due to the unpredictable they are. I have a set amount, I have a set accumulation rules, and most often than not, I win a lot of the times doing these. Even if the market's really bad, I really think, doing this system, we can really find where is these oversold areas. And that's really what we're doing is, once it gets close to this or penetrate, we're buying MULN. And right in here, it got very close and it actually penetrated. So I decided to buy MULN on this candle. I didn't want, I'm in two other stocks right now. I personally probably would have bought some here, but I didn't have to. But then now that I'm seeing it, I was like, okay, this is too good to pass up by. And let me show you guys the rare opportunity we're seeing. If you look at the stochastic oscillator, we're at a 1.72. That is this oscillator down here. I very rarely see a K under a K under 2. So when I see that, I'm like, okay, I can't pass this up. This was a K at 2.21. After this down day, we had a 15% down day and at a 1.72. The algos are going to definitely take it to the EMA5. I assume, anything that don't touch 5 days on the EMA5, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 candles not touching the EMA5. We're definitely going to touch it probably the 5th or 6th day. And as you can see, sometimes the EMA5 acts as resistance. A lot of the times, if I'm up a good bit, maybe I'll take some off the EMA5. But I'm really looking for this EMA10 target and eventually the 20. We know the 20 is going to hit, I assume, 1 to 2 weeks time frame. It could barely hit, the next day. Who's to say, right? But yeah, I have a couple penny stocks. If you guys want to join my Discord and see what I'm in, see when I take trades and understand everything, join the premium Discord. I'm telling you, you're going to learn a lot. Trading is hard. I'm not saying trading is easy, but with this system, you have an idea of what you're looking for. It's just a matter of, are you patient? Are you waiting for the setup to come to you? And all that. Click the link down below in the description or in the YouTube comments. I'll pin it. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you come on in, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. And what you want to do is please read how to subscribe. If you're using an Android, basically you'll have to use a computer or your phone's browser. But if you head on over to Server Shop, you'll see the 2 services I offer are Day Swing Trading Plus and Day and Swing Trading Plus. Very affordable services for what you get, right? $12 a month gets access to everything. I can show you guys that this strategy works on anything. Futures, Forex, crypto. I started doing some prop firms for people that just don't have much money. I can prove that, you can pass anything with this, right? So for $12 a month, I definitely recommend trying the day trading service. The day trading service has been absolute fire. You don't need a lot of money, and you can make consistently 10 to 20% gains a day doing this exact strategy on lower time frames, because we know where price has to revert, but it reverts faster in the lower time frames. Swing trading has been really hard this past month. I've been making some money on it, but as you can see, it has been going well below the areas that we think, but we can still make nice money. And that's why I said this, even in the very bad COVID eras and the where the market collapses, this strategy still has went through and price will revert to the mean. The algos will take MULN up, and I really think we can have a 50 to 100% gain very soon with MULN. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything I have here, and if you guys really want to join the Discord. Like I said, it's only $12 a month, and you will not regret it, guys. You will not regret it. And I'm going to show you guys everything that I learned, everything that I do, and it's going to be an awesome thing. So, yeah, click the link down below. If you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment. My price predictions for MULN are definitely the EMA5 and the 10, and I can very well see an EMA20 getting hit very soon. All right, guys, peace out. Stay positive. The market's rough, but I promise you can get through it. Just do a strategy that works, accumulate the dips properly, and sell the rips, guys. All right, peace out.